Alright, this is lesson 2 of learning to program in Scratch. In this episode, we're going to learn how to make a quiz. So, let's go down here and do like we did before. Have an event that will trigger other things to happen. And we're going to ask a question like we did previously. What is your name? Alright, and now here we're going to decide whether the user entered the correct response or not, using a thing called an if block. Okay, we snap on the if block. Let's change our question to something a little more interesting instead of what is your name. How about who was the drummer for the Beatles? Alright, now we want to know if what they're gonna answer is gonna be correct or not. Let's test out that it asks first of all, just so we remember where we're at. Alright, so yes, who was the drummer for Beatles? Bingo. And then he does nothing because we have nothing attached here. So let's go down to our operators and test to see if the answer that the user gives is something correct or not. So we're going to drop down the equals operator, which is going to test if something is equal to something else. So put down the answer. So if the answer is equal to Ringo, can't see, then we're going to make the cat meow. Play sound. Alright, so let's try that. Ringo. And there the cat meows. If we answer something else, bingo, nothing happens because the else block is empty. So let's learn how to import sounds. So we go over to sounds here for the cat, and we can import. And there's a selection. If you click on sounds here, we have animal sounds, percussion, vocals. Let's go to humans. And let's make them laugh if you get the question wrong. Alright, let's go back to our scripts. Play sound, laugh. So now let's try it out. Who was the drummer for the Beatles? Bingo. And that's how you make decisions about what to do based off events that happen. In this case, we're deciding what we want to do based off of how the user answered a question. And in the future, we can make it even more complex than that. But that's the gist of it, and that concludes lesson 2.